Hello, Heather. Let's try this. Stand with your feet comfortably apart. Press them into the ground. Lift your shoulders. Widen across your collarbones. Extend down through your fingertips. Bring your weight into your heels and bring your abdomen towards your spine. Tadasana, mountain pose. From here, breathe in, lift up. Turn your hands out, breathe out, release. Repeat, breathe in, lift up, press into your feet, reach your fingertips to the sky. Turn your palms away from each other, breathe out. Bring your arms up to halfway. Interlace your fingers all the way to the webbing. Press your palms away from you. Press your feet into the floor. Lift up. Keep turning your palms more towards the ceiling. Bringing your arms down to halfway. Turn your palms towards you and change the interlace of your fingers. Press your palms away. Bring your weight back into your heels. Press your feet into the mat. Lift up. And release. Utthita Trikonasana, triangle pose. So stand with your feet wide apart. Take your back heel, lift it up, take it out and back, and take your front leg all the way around. Let me do that again. So step wide. Take your back heel up. Take it out and back. Take your front leg all the way around. So your toes are pointing this direction. Hands to your hips. Bring your torso back facing me. Arms out wide. Breathe in. Lift your spine up. Breathe out, tip to the side, and let your bottom hand come to your thigh, your knee. Maybe it comes lower to your shin. Use a grip like this with your hands. Grip onto your leg. Maybe just keep your top hand on your hip, grip your leg, press into both feet and find your balance. Look forward. Now take your top arm up. Reach up for the sky. And if it feels okay, turn and look up. Take a couple of breaths here. Look forward. Come up. For a rest, take your hands to your hips. Change sides. So lift up your heel. Take it out and back. Take your other leg all the way around. Turn your torso back to me. Keep this hand on your hip. Reach out with the other one. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Breathe out, come to the side. Find wherever your hand reaches. Maybe it's just your thigh. And take that pincher grip and hold your thigh. Using that grip, bring your chest more open. Lift your top hand. It's like a broom handle between your arms. Stretching out, And if it feels okay, turning and looking up. Looking to the front, coming back up. Turn your toes to the front and step together. Find your Tadasana again here. Pressing both feet into the floor. Lift your chest, widen across your collarbones. Extend out through your fingertips. Let your neck be long. Draw your belly gently towards your chest. Find your breath here. Tadasana, mountain pose. And release. That's it for today.